Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use teamwork.com for client project management, your full 2025 guide. Let's jump right in. Firstly, log into your teamwork.com account. If you don't have one, create an account quickly. This is important because this platform is where you'll be managing all your projects. Now that you're logged in, move to the Projects tab at the top of your dashboard. Here, click on Add Project. This step is crucial because it's where you're going to create and manage your client's project. On the Add Project page, fill in your project details. You'll need to enter your project title, description, start and end dates, and the client's details. This helps us because it enables the system to track each project individually, keeping everything organized and easily accessible. Next up, add your team members. Select Add People, and choose the team members you want to add to this project. The reason we do this is it allows for effective delegation of tasks and collaboration among team members, ensuring everyone knows what they need to do. Now let's set up tasks. Navigate to the Tasks tab within your project and click on Add Task List. Here, create individual tasks, assign them to your team members, and set deadlines. This is crucial because it helps to break down the project into manageable chunks and ensures everyone is aware of their responsibilities and deadlines. Finally, use the Messages and Files tabs for communication and file sharing. This is where all the project-related communication and document storage happens. Your team can have discussions, ask questions, and share important files here. This helps us because it keeps all project-related information in one place, making it easy for everyone to stay updated and informed. So there you have it. You've just set up a client project on teamwork.com. Remember, consistency and clear communication are key to successful project management. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, happy project managing.